Have you ever pondered what makes your computer tick? What are the building blocks that make it possible for you to stream your favorite shows, code your projects, or simply browse the internet? The answer lies in something called the von Neumann Architecture, a design model that forms the backbone of virtually every computer system in the world today. Right, let's delve into the components of the von Neumann Architecture. The architecture is named after John von Neumann, who first described this structure in the mid-20th century. There are 5 main components to this architecture: the memory, the arithmetic logic unit, the control unit, the input devices, and the output devices. Firstly, we have the memory. The memory of a computer is where it stores all its data. This includes both the instructions that the computer needs to execute and the data on which these instructions operate. Picture it as a vast library, where each book represents a piece of data or an instruction. Next in line is the arithmetic logic unit, often abbreviated as ALU. This is the part of the computer that performs all the mathematical and logical operations. If the memory is a library, then the ALU is the mathematician who calculates and analyzes the data. The third component is the control unit. This is essentially the conductor of the computer orchestra, directing the operations of the computer by interpreting the instructions stored in memory and commanding the other parts of the system to execute them. Then we have the input and output devices. These are your keyboards, mice, screens, printers, and so on. The input devices allow you to provide instructions to the computer, while the output devices enable the computer to communicate results back to you. Now, you might be wondering, why is the von Neumann architecture so significant? Well, its beauty lies in its simplicity and efficiency. The idea that a computer could store both data and instructions in the same memory was revolutionary at the time, and continues to be the basis for most computers today. Moreover, the von Neumann architecture was designed to be flexible, which makes it possible to program the computer to perform a wide variety of tasks. This is why the same basic architecture can be used in everything from a smartphone to a supercomputer. In summary, the von Neumann architecture forms the bedrock of modern computing. Its 5 components: memory, the arithmetic logic unit, the control unit, and the input and output devices work together to store, process, and communicate information. This elegant and efficient design has stood the test of time, proving its worth in countless applications across the globe. So the next time you use your computer, remember that it's not just a piece of hardware. It's a marvel of design and engineering, made possible by the principles of the von Neumann architecture.